In this video, we will guide you through how to force delete a file that cannot be deleted in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now first, locate the file that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this particular file and it is not deleting. So just go ahead and select it and right click on it and choose to copy as path. After that, just go to your Windows search bar and type cmd and choose to open command prompt as an administrator. Just click on yes if prompted. After that, your command prompt should successfully open. Now here, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type del space /f space and press Ctrl V key on a keyboard to paste the URL that we copied earlier, and then just go ahead and press enter. And now you can see the file has been now successfully deleted. If the file still cannot be deleted, restart your computer in safe mode and run the same command once again, as fewer programs are running there. Also keep in mind that the del command only works for file. If you are trying to delete a folder instead, you can just go ahead and use this. Just go ahead and type rd space /s space /q and then paste the folder URL by pressing Ctrl V. And then finally, if the file is protected by Windows or is corrupted, you may need to repair your system or remove the protection before it can be deleted.